Hello, my sweet friends. Kathy Bage. If you are watching this, please turn it off. This is the flip book that I made for you, and I want it to be a surprise. So, in our group, Shabby Chic, Pretty and Sweet, which we have now changed the name to Inspired to Craft, we had Melanie Moores, I'm not sure, Moores, Moers, hosted a swap in our group. She is one of our design team members. She hosted a swap of flip books and she did a tutorial for us. And so this is the one that I made for my partner, Kathy Bage. So I made this beautiful dangle. It has this huge cross, this beautiful strand of beads. I thought that looked very Christmassy. We have some of these, a long strand of these. We have some beautiful, all different colored seam binding. We have lace. We have blue ribbon with some charms on it. We have a key. We have this ribbon. We have this ribbon. It's kind of a crinkly with gold trim. We have this trim. I like this because it looks like stitching and she can take that and use it. More blue ribbon with another bead. We have this beautiful Christmas plaid ribbon. More lace. This grosgrain ribbon. We have this beautiful fabric with the snowmen. And I think the rest of it is just repeats of what you've already seen. And it is 12 inches long. Okay, and this is the first page of our book. And I took some sparkly glitter paper, cardstock, and I backed it onto some chipboard. And I used eyelet lace and this beautiful image of Santa Claus and some rhinestones. And I'm going to kind of take this apart as I go because I need to do that to show you some of the images. And this is the back, and it says Christmas. How pretty would that be on a gift, huh? So there's that one. And I have beads in between. This is the next one. Let me just slide it off. And it's a pocket. I'm going to go back and put a button here. I still have a few finishing touches that I need to do. But it's a beautiful pocket. And I wanted it to flow, so I kind of went with the same paper and some trim and this little wooden holly embellishment, and have this tag that fits into the pocket, and then it opens up into a card with these beautiful poinsettias here in this green plaid that's popular this year. So there's the second one. And for the third one, I did this little thing, and she could take these little charms off if she decides to. And I've got this beautiful Christmas, looking lace down here. And there's a pocket. And in that pocket, and keeping with the glitter paper, I have a gingerbread man brooch that she can take off and she can wear. Kind of like a gift within a gift. Whoops, that slides down into there. Just like that. I did not do the back of this one because, as you can see, it's kind of puffy here. So I chose to leave that one kind of plain. Okay, the next one. Have this beautiful red sparkle paper. This back to chipboard. They're all made with chipboard. And this beautiful bridal lace. This glittery snowman. And down at the bottom, I put some glue and added some glitter to make it look like snow. And then it flips over, and there's a tuck spot with this little Christmas card, and she can write on the back. And I made a little tab at the top of there, and this beautiful bridal lace on it. And for the next one, on the front, I've added, it's a pocket as well, and I've added this beautiful green lace, and I Mod Podge this beautiful vintage Santa Claus onto the front, and it's a pocket, and inside the pocket I made this cute little Christmas ledger book, because we all have to keep track of our Christmas spending, right? And it also has pockets where she can put receipts, and that slides inside of there. Let me just flip that over to slide that in there. And flip it over, and I've made a little paper clip, and it says wonderful, and it slides onto there. And then behind it I have tucked this little mail to the North Pole December 25th little memo sheet, and it just kind of tucks right behind there like that. And for the next one, I've added the rhinestones at the top, used this beautiful gold belt, and added the snowman, and inside I have tucked these two little Christmas tags. And it flips over, and there's also another pocket in the back with two more little tags. And they have been backed onto chipboard. So that's the last one of those for my little book. And they are 6 inches by 3 inches. But because she sent me, let me pull it down. Her tags that she made were large. There was no requirement of sizes. So, because she sent the large tags, I have made some more, and this one is still in the process. I'm going to go back and add some of this beautiful dangle lace at the bottom, down here. Move it up where you can see it. We'll have the little dangles at the bottom. I'm going to add those onto there, and I've added this pretty, it's a pocket with a tag in it of this vintage Christmas train, and I think I got a little too much glitter on it. The camera's not really picking up very well, so I've made that to go inside of there. And I've added the star ornament, and let's pull that off. It's so large it's kind of hard to get off. So we'll leave that to the side because we're going to decorate that after. Okay, next I have this one, and I smudged that. Oh my goodness. But it's okay. It's because it's vintage. Okay, and it's I've de-stressed around it. Pull it off so you can see it. It's a vintage tag, and it is quite tall. And it says believe with this beautiful scene, the little vintage ticket, and it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. And on the back I have added another one of those and grunged it up to look old and vintage. So there's that one. And then last, I made this big one here. And it's a pocket with a nice little scene, and inside of it is this beautiful tag. And here's the back of it with the stockings, and I used the part that I cut from up there to round do the corners and round it up. So there you have it, my flip book for Melanie's swap for my partner Kathy Bage. And I'm going to finish it up, and I've got some gifts for her. I am sending her this beautiful heart that I made, and Kathy, I hope you're not watching because I want it to be a surprise. This beautiful heart pillow that I made. along with several laces and things that I have for her. Lots of goodies. So I thank y'all and have a good day, and bye-bye.